Hey guys, this is update for my Commandos style unnamed yet game. I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, so I'm dead. So yeah, I made a walking enemies and I made a killing. I made some sounds, but obviously when the enemy is spotting that I killed someone, he's not happy about it and alarm goes off. Ah, shoot. Okay, and I can also grab him. And when I grab him, I can drop him outside of the range. Oh shoot, he still saw me. I was too close. God damn it. I made a very difficult game. Okay. Should be fine here, I hope. Yeah, okay. So what I have now is... Oh, shoot. Okay, but I can show you another thing. I also have this thing where I can distract when I throw a stone, like this.
Did you hear that?
I can distract enemies. Ah, my ears are playing with me. I might misheard something. Yeah. So, yeah, that's what I did. As you can see, I already have Perforced installed. All the project is how it should be on Perforce. I talked to my friend and he's going to help me with that. He's also very excited about the project. He's going to make a level design, so I'm gonna design this enemies and character abilities, and he's gonna do the nice map for it. And now I am working on another characters because I want to have more than one, and for start I want to make 3 characters. So the blue one is the main hero. There is the big guy who is like a strong meathead, and there's like a girl who is like a stealth, fast, and maybe he's a computer geek, so she can disable alarms and so on. So game development is going. I have 4.24 version, and it looks pretty neat. As you can see, this is a bit different. And audio engine is already on by default, so I'm gonna make a tutorials about new audio effects very soon. That's it for now. If you want to be up to date with this project, subscribe to my channel, and you can leave a like if you like, and see you next time. Cheers.